Guys, in this video I would love to show you a skill set whereby you can create carousel images for your Instagram post. Carousel images, these are scrollable images, a complete content that you can now scroll, and somebody participating will be able to enjoy the sliding till the end of the content. That enables engagement on Instagram. If you are using Instagram, you will be able to engage with your audience because people will stay longer on Instagram by just going through the scrollable images, and you also engage and participate and add value to somebody's life. So you can have a maximum of 10. That is a maximum, okay, for Instagram, and you can do probably as much as low as 4. Okay, if you are doing 4 images, 4 scrollable images within a single content, you don't forget that the first page and the first page and the last page will be introduction and call to action. So the main 2 pages that will be in between these 4 assets will be the value you want to give out. So it means that if you want to really do this, you should be looking at 10 pages, 10 images for your carousel, whereby you can have 8 images for your main content, and then you will be able to give more guide. But in this video, I will show you how I set up just 4 images, okay, with Canva, and I would give you step by step how I got it done. Okay, the first one I did, and this is the first time I will be creating scrollable images, doing tutorials with it. So this is the first one I did. It was just like, let's get a background in content and just put these 4 slides within it. Okay, but then I also now did this, and this is the one I'm going to explain step by step how I got this done. And I literally did not use any added or additional tools. I'm only using Canva, the free version, not the pro version, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. And if you are new, if you are just seeing this for the first time, if you are new to this channel, kindly be a part of my community. It takes nothing from you. Click the subscribe button. I have free guides, step-by-step guides on web development, on server management, just name it. And of course, you can also be a part of my community on Instagram. I'm trying to grow my followers. I would really appreciate this, and this is important to me. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing is, you must have gotten an idea of the number of carousel you want to create, the content, and the flow of your content of your projects. So the first thing you want to do is come to create. If you want to create, like in my own case, I'm creating 4 images within a single content, and I want it to be the same height and probably the same width. So I'm putting it for 1000 by 1000, since I'm creating 4 images at a glance, and I want it to be the same thing because I want some content to actually overlap, and that is just the essence of scrollable, so that as you are seeing this side of this end, you will be able to appreciate the complete side when you look at it while scrolling. So in that regard, I want to create a custom size, and I want to put the width to be 4000. That is 1000 for each, and the height is 1000 once. And I just click on create new design. Immediately you do this, you want to give this design a title, okay, and the title is at the top here. Let me say try Canva. Okay, I haven't done that. I haven't given it a title. Any title can just go. The next thing, you want to divide this screen. You want to divide it into 4. So the first thing you want to do is to show your rulers. So that is your width ruler and your height ruler. So we know that the height is 1000. You can see from 0 to 1000. The width is 4000 from 0 to 4000. So we want to pick from this height, this side, and we want to drag to 1000. We want to divide it into 4. So we are going to stop on 1000. Just make sure you stop on 1000. Okay, that is 1000. You come again, you drag, and you take it to 2000. That was easy. You come again, you drag, you take it to 3000. 3000. That was okay. And now we have 4 scrollable image as in content. Now that implies that this main page, second page, third page, and fourth page. So you can immediately see that Canva had given you, ideas, templates you can work with, and there are so many things you can do. Creativity now needs to come in. Your content, your flow, your audience, your branding, you just think out of the box. Okay. Now, one of the things I did in this sample here is I just come to the background and I selected the background. Okay, the background I selected. Let me see. I think it's not that long. I just pick a background. Let me see. This is a okay. Yes, this is the background I select. Okay, it should be at this one. So I selected this, and that is the background I selected. And the ruler, you don't touch the ruler. Of course, it's not going to show in the final printout. So, but this is the background I selected. And the next thing I wanted to do is to add some, probably put some text. I created this text website mates. So let me just put this background here. I want this background to be like a shadow for the text, and I'm going to add a text. The text is website myth. Okay, and probably I make it bigger. I also zoom it in the width, and I'll bring it on here. I increase this background and I change the color. You come to here, you can just pick a color. I just pick any color. You just need to look at the brand, the blending, your color. You just need to be creative. And I put this here, and I probably make this a bit transparent so that it can still, yes, it can be obvious, yeah, but then you can still be able to appreciate that there's, so that the visual is not going to be like having I don't know. It depends on creativity, and those who are really good at color branding and all those would give you more advice on how you can put that. But I've done this. This is the first slide, and probably let me go back and see what I did again. I put an image at the back. Let me look for that image. These are free tools. No, I came to this I came to the images, the photos, and I just make use of free images. They are free images. I make use of this. I put this image somewhere here to actually bring about the essence of the carousel. And of course it is overlapping, but I want it to be behind this website. So I just click on this image. I come to position backwards, and now it is behind these two contents now. Okay, and that is that. And I think I also added something, this website. That is a website. I'm talking about website. There's something on website at the back here. So for that, you can come here, just type websites. You can see ideas. Okay, in fact, I'm making use of this. You can see ideas, and you can just bring it to the back and make sure that it's what's the value that you are bringing up. And of course, you go to position backward, and probably you also put transparency, so that something that will be not to be too bad, too, what have you. And the next thing you want to do is probably you create other content. So in this form, I just need to copy and paste. Just copy and paste. And how do I do that? I click on text, I inserted text, I enter the content, and that is that. So invariably we just copy and paste, and your content, your creativity, you can just make sure that everything flows. And once you are through with all this, you just need to just click on download, and it's suggesting PNG. If you want that format, you can pick any other format, but I prefer to go with PNG, and you click on download. Immediately you do that, then it means the content will be downloaded. Okay, and you can see the content is downloaded. You can actually come online and pick and see the content in a full screen. Now, how it looks like. Then the next thing is that you want to cut the content into four slides, in order for you to then publish it on Instagram. Okay, and you have to publish it together. Now this is a complete content now in a single screen, in a single image, but I need to now pick it and copy it into these 4 slides. So how do I do that? I'm making use of a tool, pinetools.com. This is a tool I'm making use of. Just look at pinetool.com/split image. This URL will be in the description, and you can always have it like that there. So the first thing I did was to upload the content. You just come to upload file. You upload the content, and you select, because I want to cut it. It is on this horizontal. I want to cut it into 4 horizontally. It's going to automatically just get the full content, the full image, the content, and it just automatically cut it as I have selected. So you select horizontal, and I want the format to be PNG, and I want it to be quantity of blocks I want to create is 4. So that means it's going to automatically collect or create that. And once I'm through with that, I click on split image. Now once you click on split image, immediately it brings out this 4 resolution, and you can just click on each of them, or you download them as a go, as a total content. You can just click on it or download. So when you click on it, you see the content is created, and you download the remaining, and you download everything one after the other, and you are free to just go through it and see how much the value it is. So you can just scroll down and go to the contents, and once you are through with those, once it's okay by you, the content is okay, the next thing is that you want to upload the content onto your Instagram feed. And that is how you can do this. Is just you move the content. Like in my own case, I'll just move the content onto my phone via WhatsApp or any other. Just transfer the images onto your phone, and you select the content in the carousel image, and you upload. This is where I'm going to stop. Thank you, and God bless.